So we've been keeping chickens here at Seaview House for over 10 years, and they produce these magnificent eggs that we use every morning for breakfast. We feed them on a mixture of scraps from our kitchen and organic layers pellets. Hi folks, welcome to the kitchen at Seaview House in Doolin. Today we're going to make a goat's cheese frittata. We've been making these for a good few years now, and we serve them to our guests in our lodges and our bed and breakfast. This dish also featured in the Born Dinners book that was produced by the Born Tourism in 2019. It's a great read. So we're going to use, today for our frittata, we're going to use eggs straight from our farm, from our own chickens, mushrooms that we get from Tola in County Clare, cherry tomatoes, which we normally grow ourselves. We're going to caramelize some red onions. We've got fresh tarragon, lovely creamy Tola Goats cheese, and some milk. Right, so we've got our hot pan. I normally use a cast iron pan because it holds the heat really well. So let's get this thing heated up. And we will add in a little bit of vegetable oil, and we're going to start by caramelizing our onions. So that pan is preheated, so and they're just starting to finish off, and we'll put in some mushrooms. Should be enough. Put them all in. There we go. So now I'm going to add in some tomatoes, just so everything's softened down a little. Now, as you can see, everything is starting to cook up lovely. So what I do at this stage normally is take a few mushrooms out, and we will save these and add them on top. So in our eggs go. So at this stage now we can see the egg mixture starting to bubble a little bit in the centre, which is a good sign, so it's just coming up to temperature. So now we pop on some of this lovely goat's cheese. This will take about 8 to 9 minutes. So now we've just loosened all the edges, and there we go.